I'm out at Prairie Dog Town about 7:30 this morning. The wind's not too bad. It's kind of been gusting a little bit, but I think it's just kind of the change of the day. I'm set up over here on the western slope. You can see the sun is rising in the east. There's the western side of the Rocky Mountains. And hopefully we're going to see a few prairie dogs out here. I'll be using the Savage B-Mag. And I have the Caldwell tripod precision turret shooting rest. Now the landowner here requires that I use these Winchester, lead-free. They're made out of zinc, but they travel 3,300 feet per second because they're so light. They're only 15 grains. Well, I like to at least get 5 prairie dogs out in the open before I go to shooting at them. This one was about 154 yards away. I'm way up on a hill and I don't realize I need to take a low angle. So I keep shooting at him, and man, I'm going way over his head. Not sure why I hit so high. Yeah, it's that angle, and the wind was a little bit from right to left. Finally, I aim at the base of his tail, and you can hear the wind blowing, and that does the trick. But that bullet will push about 6 inches in a 10-mile-an-hour wind. Should be an easy chip shot. Oh, we'll see. At 100 yards, so every now and then, if it picks up, I got to hold off a little bit. All right, here we are, 88 yards. Now this one, the wind's blowing on. I should have held on his backbone and let it drift over, but I held on his elbow and it just creased him across the chest, I think. That wind was pushing these bullets around. I don't know if it's because they're 15 grain or not. Here we are. You might be able to see it kind of just goes right across the brisket of his chest there. Not sure he survived it, but he did get back down his hole, and I don't like that. Now that one, same thing. The wind pushed it. It went, I think, right across the front of his chest and then broke his right arm. But fortunately, he didn't go down his hole. He gave me a second shot, so I was able to put him out of his misery. You might be able to see it's going to go in just by his left elbow and then get his right arm. He's trying to figure out what happened. When he turns around to walk away, he kind of stumbles, and that's all it took. Gave me another chance. I guess the wind had, let up a little bit. You can see my little teepee's not blowing around now. These doubles showed up, and man, I never got a double, so I was really trying to get it quick. And oh, a double. That's my first double. Sure enough, I was able to get it. Oh, a double. That's my first double. "107 yards. The wind seems to have let up now, so I'm able to just hold right on them. Alright, this is 131 yards. Now that one's chirping. I don't know if you can hear him. Sounds like a bird, but he's sounding an alarm or something. I'm not sure what he was talking about. Got him. There, you can hear him pretty good there. We're not real far from an airport. You hear the planes coming over. Now this one, I couldn't tell for sure if I hit him or not. I put it in slow motion, but I still couldn't tell. I think the camera was up against the table or something, and it must have shook it when the gun went off. yard. I believe we're at 98 yards. Little breeze blowing. Not bad though. I think it was coming from my back going towards my target. So it didn't really seem to affect the round much. We got it. Yes, not much breeze. That 17 does a good job. Well, there you can hear a little breeze, but I guess it was going from my back to the target again on this one. Well, that's my quota, so I was running low on ammo, so I'm going to give it up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.